Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights. Come take a test drive today.